Welcome to H Greg Lux. Here we have a 2018 Land Rover Range Rover Sport. This SUV came with a clean Carfax. In this video, I'll be showing you any dents, scratches, or any wear and tear to the car to the best of our knowledge. First, we'll be going panel by panel. We're going to start with the front bumper. That looks perfect. I'm not seeing any scratches or paint chips. Let's have a look at the hood of the car. Okay, everything looks fine. The only thing I see right here is just two small chips. Let's take a look at the driver fender and wheel. This fender has no scratches at all. Not seeing any dents. And the wheel has no curb rash. Let's move on to the driver's side doors. Both front and back door look good. I do not see any dents or scratches. Alright, let's have a look at the quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel is in excellent condition. I'm not seeing any dents or scratches on it. And the wheel has no curb rash. Let's take a look at the back of the SUV. Back here, everything looks fine. The trunk has no scratches or dents. Also, the back bumper is in perfect condition as well. Let's move on to the passenger quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel is in excellent condition. It has no scratches or dents. And the wheel has no curb rash. Let's move on to the passenger side doors. Both front and back door look good. I'm not seeing any dents or scratches on either door here. Okay, and now the last fender and wheel looks excellent. No scratches on the fender, no dents, and the wheel has no curb rash. So the exterior of this SUV is in excellent condition. Now we're going to have a look inside. And first we're going to start off with the driver's seat. Excellent. Let's take a look at the door panel. Perfect. I'm not seeing any wear and tear on this door panel at all. The window switches look good. Everything is in excellent condition. Let's have a look at the back seat. Perfect. So the driver's side is in good condition. Now we're going to have a look at the passenger side. Perfect. Let's move on to the door panel. Excellent. This door panel is in good condition. I'm not seeing any wear and tear at all. Let's move on to the back seat. Perfect. So the passenger side is in good condition. Now we're going to have a look at the rest of the interior. First, we're going to start off with the center console. I do not see any wear and tear in here at all. Let's take a look at the steering wheel. Perfect. So the interior of this SUV is in excellent condition. Now we're going to take a look at the trunk. And last but not least, the engine bay. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to speak to one of our representatives.